Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. I'm Heidi. I hope you all had a fantastic 4th of July. We certainly have. Today is Friday when I'm filming this video and I have decided to make a oldie recipe. My mother used to make these all the time. Now I'm going to tell you I did a video on these many moons ago, which I will link down below so that you all can get the recipe if you desire. And it also, in the description box of that video, has the written out form of the recipe, so feel free to copy and paste if you want to. This recipe is very versatile and it's awesome because you can make it how you would like. So you're going to see me use blueberry pie filling for these blueberry squares, but you can certainly make them apple squares, blackberry squares, peach squares, so strawberry squares, so any kind of square that you would like to make, which you'll see how I make them here in a few moments. But this is a real treat, and definitely every time I make them it takes me back to my childhood because my mother made these quite frequently, and I believe it's one of my dad's big favorites. Now, normally my mother would make them cherry, but I'm making them blueberry because Ronnie's favorite fruit is blueberry, and I will have to say they did come out really, really delicious. And I know the next day after I filmed this, I had one with a cup of coffee in the morning, and oh my goodness, how delicious was it? It is a real treat. They come out really pretty, so it looks like you've made something very professional, and it honestly did not take but a few minutes to put together. So, definitely highly recommend that you check out the other video and see how these are made because it is worth every minute. Now that my blueberry squares are in a 350-degree oven, it'll take about 30 minutes for those to get completely done. I've decided today that I am going to make some homemade pizza dough and make a couple really large pizzas. I have been making my own pizza dough for many years, and the reason why is because I could not even word it enough or emphasize enough how easy it is to make pizza dough. And a lot of times people buy it, or they buy pre-made pizza or order pizza because they're kind of scared of the process. And I will tell you that the better your ingredients, the better the pizza dough comes out, and that has been my experience. And I absolutely love to make my own pizza dough. It freezes really easily. I always have leftovers, so we are going to have pizza for 2 days. And you'll see that this pizza dough makes jumbo-sized pizzas. I think my pizza pan is actually a 21-inch, if I'm not mistaken. And if you have a KitchenAid, it is a win-win because it certainly does make things a lot more, simplified because it does all the kneading and the prep work for you. All you have to do is put your ingredients in there and it does it. All the handiwork for you. So you're seeing me put the ball of dough, and really the one thing I can tell you is so that your dough does not dry out, make sure that it's coated with some olive oil, and that way your dough will not, be dry. And here are my blueberry squares out of the oven, and I'm going to put some powdered sugar. Yes, I'm just using my hand. I wish I had a shaker, but I don't, unfortunately. But definitely putting some powdered sugar, it really does add to it. And if you have a powdered sugar, like some way to dispense it so it looks a little more, pretty on there, it probably would make them look a little more professionally baked, if you will. But you know what? It's just my husband and I, and they tasted absolutely scrumptious. Now, on my pizza, we are going to do mozzarella, and we are also doing some hot Italian sausage. I'm showing you my dough there that it has risen beautifully. We're going to do hot Italian sausage. I just cut the meat out of the casings, and I'm going to tell you that we love a good sausage pizza, but the hot Italian sausage just seems to really make it over the top delicious to us, because we like things semi-spicy or even really spicy. So the hot style Italian sausage is the way to go. Now into the oven, my pizza will go. It only takes about 20 minutes to bake in a 425 degree oven. These are fantastic, and they look beautiful too. As you can see there, I just kind of slide it off the pan onto my large cutting board, which I bought from IKEA. And here we are, we're getting ready to eat at the table. And now just finishing off this video and my day, I had a little friend out my front door. I was trying to make myself friendly, but he was very scarce of me. So I tried to get him to talk to me. But I am watering my flowers this evening. It is a whopping 90-degree weather, but I have to keep these watered or they will just die. My flowers have done really well this year and really have filled out the potters that I have out in front of my house. I have 6. And I've been really, really pleased. I didn't ever think that I would have much of a green thumb, but turns out that I kind of have a knack with these flowers. So I'm kind of excited about that. I hope you all enjoyed seeing this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night whenever you are watching this. And I hope that you will stay tuned for future videos. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you be on my journey here on Heidi's Home. Thank you so much for watching, and you all have a blessed day.